This is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma City. This is the third in a series of what are the most frequently asked questions when we start with Zoom meetings with out-of-state investors especially. And the third question I get a lot is, why are you recommending new construction, not existing construction? And it's a great question. Why do I emphasize that you buy something new? Well, there's a couple of things that I want to talk about specifically, and I call them the two villains of real estate investing. It's very simple. One is vacancy, and the other is maintenance. Taking that second one first, maintenance on a 30 or 40 or 50-year-old home is going to be something that you're involved in all the time. Something is constantly breaking down. And this is supposed to be passive income, not active income. You're supposed to be able to do your work, do your recreation, take care of your family, and let real estate investment take care of itself. But investment is also going to take that paper return and it's going to kill it. So new construction is not that. It comes with never being used, and it comes with full warranties. So especially in the first 5 years, you have very little problems that you really have to deal with. And so that's the number one thing that we want you to do. Now, the second thing about it is rentability. Rentability is extremely important in a home. And so if you take a brand new home with higher ceilings and bigger bathrooms and larger closets, high energy efficiency, uniform property around you, then new construction becomes something that is more rentable. And that is why last year, for instance, we've averaged 28 days on the market of vacancy. And this year, it's been even lower. We'll see what the stat is at the end of the year when we get into the winter months. But in some cases, it's 5 days, 10 days, 15 days. People want new construction, especially if it's in the best school systems. And so that is what we do. We go into the suburban school systems because that is where people want to live. Now, we make sure that it's close 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes maximum from anything that's important that they need to get to, especially work. And so we want to make sure that all those factors are in there on new construction. Now, I'm going to add one more thing here, which is the crazy thing, which is right now, in most cases, not in all cases, but in most cases, you can buy new construction for less money than you can buy new construction. And here's the simple reason why. New construction and existing construction are two different things in terms of supply and demand. People want existing properties, that's what they buy. If there's a shortage of existing property, the prices go up. So let me give you just one example to illustrate this. We're sold out of this one neighborhood, but this is typical. It started out about 10 years ago, and the final phase of very few houses are being built right now. We are selling these homes brand new, or we sold these homes brand new at $110 a square foot. And that's fence blinds, garage door opener, appliances, landscaping. There is nothing you need to put into these houses at $110 a foot. In section 1 of the same neighborhood, a 10-year-old similar home is selling at $126 a foot. So in the last 16 years, I've sold over 1,500 homes, primarily new construction in Oklahoma City. I deal directly with the builder. I make sure that we get discounts in there, the best buys, the best locations. And you know why? Because hot or cold, they know that investors are buying. And they also know I sell more than anybody in Oklahoma City. And therefore, we have built over the years that level of confidence and credibility with builders and developers that they allow us in their neighborhood. So we want to get rid of the two villains, vacancy, which we can do with new construction, and maintenance, which we can do in new construction. And we want to give you a heck of a value. We've worked hard to do this. We built up the credibility. That's what we're going to do. I hope to have this discussion with you soon. Let's help you build financial wellness through investing in Oklahoma City real estate.